Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're making this refreshing summer soup. Now we need to chop the veggies. I begin with cucumber, but there is no particular order which needs to be followed. These cucumbers smell amazing. Anyone entering our home now would instantly know what I'm about here. You will need a big bowl for mixing of the ingredients. Then we chop radish. I chop smaller to get the combination of all ingredients in every spoonful. We will need 1 whole boiled potato for this recipe and 4 hard-boiled eggs, cooked a day before or completely cooled down because this soup is served cold. Green onions. Oh, I realize now that I went for crunchy aromatic ingredients first. Probably that's what gives me the energy and enthusiasm to make this incredible soup on this lazy, hot summer afternoon. The eggs. Hey everyone, let's talk about eggs and why they're awesome. Eggs pack a punch with tons of vitamins and minerals like calcium, iron, and vitamin E. The yolks are where the nutrients are, while the whites are mainly protein. One large egg has 212 milligrams of cholesterol, but don't worry. It doesn't really spike your blood cholesterol. The liver balances it out by adjusting how much it makes. Eating eggs can actually boost your good cholesterol, HDL, and improve your cholesterol profile overall, lowering heart disease risk. Plus, egg yolks are a great source of choline, which is vital for your liver, heart, and brain health. They also contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are great for your eyes. Eggs are super filling, so eating them can help you lose weight. And remember, the nutrient content of eggs can vary. Omega-3 enriched or pastured eggs are the healthiest. Next is the potato. Did you know that how you prepare your food can change its nutritional benefits? Take potatoes, rice, and pasta. If you cook them, cool them down, and then reheat, you can boost their resistant starch content. In our case, we don't need to reheat, but check this out. Resistant starch is a special type of carb that doesn't get digested easily, which brings lots of health perks. It can lower inflammation, improve gut health, help control blood sugar, and boost insulin sensitivity. So next time, try cooling and reheating your carbs. Time to chop any cooked ham, chicken, or turkey. Today we are using our very own homemade baked ham. This is the first time we made it, and it tastes very good. Once we have experimented with the recipe enough to say this is the best ham we've ever tasted, we are going to make a video sharing it with all of you. Make sure you're subscribed not to miss it. Get the thick branches off the dill and roughly chop it. We make a lot of farmer's cheese, so we've got plenty of whey, which is great for this soup because it tastes good. If you can't find whey, try using non-fruity kombucha or just use cold boiled water as a last resort. Add sour cream and yogurt. Whey is awesome. It's got all these essential amino acids, is super nutritious, and is one of the best sources of high-quality protein. It's easy to digest and perfect for muscle growth and maintenance, especially with strength training. Whey can also help lower blood pressure, control blood sugar levels, and reduce inflammation. It's beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes and inflammatory bowel disease, and it even boosts antioxidant defenses. Let's not forget to put some salt. Plus, it's really filling, which is great if you're trying to lose weight. So don't miss out on the benefits of whey. This is a super refreshing summer soup served cold. And as I have mentioned, it's packed with beneficial ingredients. This is a good time to taste it, to see if it's salty enough. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of our culinary creations, and like, share, and make comments to support us. And now we can enjoy our soup.